Good morning, everybody. We are here at the job and we have a kitchen faucet to replace. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Here's the existing one, and this is what we will be installing. Come underneath here, shut the cold off, shut the hot off. Thank you.
It was hiding out.
Was it?
Oh, I looked at every single one. Twice before I found it.
That's a little bit annoying. Where is it? Yeah, see, they gave us 2 of these, both for the faucet. I need the baggie that has the sprayer, so hopefully this will do it for us. They don't make these really all that serviceable anymore. Okay. Scratch that. I'm gonna put that in here. That kind of sucks. I will have to run out and grab that. You want to hold that faucet so that it's straight for me? Just like that. I don't think you have to. Hopefully not. Anyway. Try it. Give it a little snug. Or not. That'll be fine. You want to go get me 2 zip ties? Either in the middle drawer of the toolbox or behind the hand truck on the first shelf. And then you want to grab the clippers, the dikes in the toolbox. No, those are lineman pliers. I need the dikes. There you go. So, unfortunately, these bayonet connections don't really come off, and it's got to be a specialty thing. So, I have to run out and grab that, and we can put it in. Okay, we're back. We got the right parts here now, so we should be able to put all this together and get it working. So that just snaps on like that. Drop it in, just like so. And this just goes up underneath. Just like so. Okay. And we'll stick this guy down. And we'll pull this little clip back. Got a plug in there, so if you wanted to not have the sprayer, you have the option. In this case, we want the sprayer, so then we'll just take this, stick it up and in, and then pull the clip over, just like so. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. It's this blue clip right here. It's on a hinge, and you just push it in. And then we'll turn our hot side on, cold side on, and we will pull this out. Then we'll run some hot water so that it kind of relaxes this tubing to the sprayer. We'll first run the faucet here. Make sure we got cold water. And we'll make sure we get hot water. yes, it is getting warm. And now that we have hot water, we'll run it through our sprayer here, get our hose warmed up and relaxed. We'll go underneath real quick. Alright, so we'll come under here real quick. Check for any leaks. Got nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing there. See no drips onto the base of the counter. I think we're good. Alrighty, everybody. That will do it for this one. That kitchen faucet went in pretty easily, other than having to run out for that sprayer escutcheon. But it was kind of interesting when I got to the supply house. We went into another box to rob from that, and it was the same deal where it had 2 nuts for the faucet itself, but no mount for that sprayer. So it was on the 3rd box that we finally found one with the sprayer mount. So they're going to have to contact Delta and order up a couple more of those. I don't know who was in charge of boxing that day, but something happened there. So anyway, with that, I hope you got something out of this video. If you did, please remember to leave a like down below. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. I would much appreciate that. It really helps out the channel. With that, guys, though, I do thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.